Okay, handbill. I found my, let me share. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, I tried to play with it, but I kept doing undoing because I could not get this to figure out.
Okay, I'm requesting remote control. Okay, a couple of things here's what I got that big screen. Do you see a huge, a weird cursor, huh? Oh, I see, that's your cursor. I want to do a couple of things. One is, and this is an important thing,
Move it to the middle.
move from the center of there to here.
Okay.
Um, I don't know any things that need to be deleted.
Hmm.
Well, let me just see what we lose.
Oh, there it is. Well,
Okay. Um, get rid of that. Now, right now, these are all weird locations. And I'm sure that they're exactly perfectly lined up, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these guys. And then I'm going to put the uh, center of your blend right on the 45-degree line here. Can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to do LI for line and come off here at 135 degrees. Then grab all of these
Right.
and move them from snap center
To the center.
of your
Yeah.
blend to somewhere on this line. Something like that.
Okay.
Now, here the tricky part is, so I've got this blend, it's this big guy, that's your tapered leg.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So to make for perfect, so right now these guys aren't lined up well. So I think what we need to do, I'm going to lock this in place just for right now, just so it doesn't move. I'm going to move all these other guys.
Around,
Are
on it.
wait, are these all blends?
Yeah. No,
Oh,
no.
some are extrusions. Oh, there's the top. That's right. There's the top that's a blend. And
The bottom is an extrusion.
yeah, I'm just getting all these lined up. So, so there's an extrusion. Move. I'm sorry. MV. Can you see my
Yeah.
letters?
Yeah.
I'm going from there to snap center of there. I pick this guy and move from snap center of that to snap center of that.
Okay.
I'm going to pick this guy and move from the snap center of there, snap center of there. Not sure that was right. Move, see, see, getting there. Okay, so that looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and we'll just see how they go up.
Now, do I mirror it to the other
Well,
side?
yeah, but here's the thing. If you have what are we calling the little round things that go around the legs? What do you want to call them?
Oh, sockets, rings.
Rings. Okay. If we want the rings to move up and down, I want all four rings that are the same to move up and down together.
Right, right.
Okay. So to do that, let's see. That's. Let me just see this from the front. Okay, so this is a blend, and that's a blend, and the others are all just extrusions, right?
Right.
Okay. So what I want to do, let me do, that's a blend. I'm just going to move these out of the way for a little bit, the blends.
Oh, you can do that?
I'm just going to move it exactly 3 feet
Okay.
so I can move it back later on. That's a blend. Move 3 feet. So we can move them back when we need to. Now, I'm going to, starting at the extrusion, extrusion, extrusion. So to make, let's say this big one, 4 go up all together, I'm going to select it, edit the extrusion,
Right.
and mirror the extrusion over to there,
Okay.
and then click and click, and then mirror those guys that way.
Okay.
So when we see it from the front, so that's these, and those will all move together.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, those 4 will all move together. They're one thing in many parts.
Perfect.
So when we get back here, and you see that they're in exactly the right position since that was 45 degrees.
How about the inside rings?
One of these guys?
Yeah.
Well, then you're going to do that one. Then you pick this one,
And then do the exact same thing.
edit extrusion, and do it again. Yeah.
Okay, let me do that. Edit. And then mirror. And let me move it.
Yeah. Right. Mirror.
This one, right? Yeah.
Zoom out. Click.
Ah. Oh, I think it says waiting for Bill to control your screens now.
Oh, I've let go.
Okay. Hmm.
Can you mirror those?
Yeah, but let me try again.
Let me relinquish.
The right. Okay.
I'm giving up keyboard control.
Thank you. I got it.
It's all yours. So select it, mirror it.
I'm doing this. I don't know why it's not letting
Oh,
me.
you need to pick it. You need to select it. Click. Yeah. Okay. Now you got it.
There you go. And then I'm gonna
And then you pick both of those.
yeah.
Well, and yeah, right. Pick, yeah, and then control pick for the next one, and then mirror them about the horizontal line. They should be
They're
they
both
should
highlighted.
they should be blue. I thought if you were highlighting them. Click. control click.
Oh, shift. Sorry, I was pressing a shift.
Yeah, not
Okay.
shift.
And then
About the horizontal one. So can't cancel that and do it again. Select edit extrusion. Or actually you can pick the one that's off all by itself.
uh, and then mirror.
Yeah, good. It's got to be blue to be active. Okay. And then control click. And then both of those about the horizontal line. There you go.
Oh, and then
And
the
green
third one,
and then green check.
and then the third one.
Third one. Mm.
There.
Edit extrusion. Oh, you need to pick the object, then pick the that, and then pick that, right? There you go. She's got this.
And I think I need this
And
one.
then
This
this
one.
is
Fit, pick, mirror, not
okay, good.
this.
Oh no, no, oh, I see what's going on. Cancel that. Yes. When you're doing the mirror, um, when you're doing mirror over here, you have a choice whether to copy or not copy, and you didn't have copy check, so it was just effectively moving it over instead of copy.
Okay.
And
So
I think you'll have to sort of back up a couple of steps
there we go.
because I
And
think you had more. I think you had more. How many rings did you have to start with?
well, then we had two blend ones, remember?
The blend ones are off to the side.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. These are all complete now. 5.
Okay, so outside, zoom out so we can see all these. No, out. Okay, so we've done really just the outside one. I think is what's happened.
Yes, now we have to do the inside ones.
Now keep working inside. Yeah,
I'm going to do this one first.
that
Okay, click,
edit extrusion.
edit, click again, copy,
No mirror.
mirror, right? Yeah, mirror.
But yeah, and make sure that copy is checked over in the option bar. Just over the big R for Revit, there's a copy. I wish I could point. There you go, right underneath that. Down, right
Oh,
there.
yeah, it's checked.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
checked. I
Okay.
see. I see. There you go. And then now if I want to do the top set, the bottom ones, well, let me
Yeah,
finish
well,
this.
yeah, and actually, if you can just pick the one you just made.
Okay.
Yeah, edit extrusion. So pick that, and then pick the other one. Control pick, and then mirror them, making sure
And
copy is
copies,
turned
yeah,
on.
copies
Good. Okay.
picked. There we go.
Okay. Good.
And then now do the third one. Edit extrusion. Third. Mirror copy is here. There you go.
And stop for a second. You could have, without hitting the green check,
Do all of them.
had picked this one and picked this one and then mirrored them.
Okay.
Okay. Next,
And now
next.
I'm on the third one. So
Edit extrusion to make them all the one thing, right? Okay, now you can do the green check.
I'm on the fourth one. Edit. Fourth. Copy is checked.
Okay. And then,
Yes.
no.
Yeah, I know, I know.
Just pick that guy now. Control click on the purple one. And you can just keep on going and mirror those guys.
Yeah.
Last
And
one.
it's, there you go.
Okay, good. Ooh.
I know, right? And then can I bring these back guys
And
back?
then move them back exactly 3 feet. You just type in 3 feet. Yeah.
Okay, it took it. I
Was
did.
that
Yeah, it did. Right.
it didn't happen.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I didn't take it.
Oh, you look what happened. Zoom out. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, never mind. Sorry.
That's fine. Okay.
Move them and then MV for move. Get rid of that guy. Yeah. And then just click any place and then just type 3 feet. Don't even get close. Bingo, right on it.
Yeah.
And now you can use, hang on a second, you can use right click, select previous. Oh, it's not available to you. Never mind. We
Is
just
it,
want to get those two blends.
yeah, I can it right here. Blend, edit,
Well, yeah,
uh,
let me
edit.
try some. Let me try something for a second. Let me request remote control. I wonder if we can go like this and then filter. No, I thought I might be able to filter by blend versus
Let's see.
extrusion, but I can't. So, and I can't tell which of the. I guess you just have to go in there and I'm going to release this.
Okay. This one.
But yeah, is
And
that?
then edit.
Oh, this one we just mirror. It's already made. And do you know which one it was?
There we go.
Okay, and now there's one more blend.
I thought there was. There you go.
Oh, they're both there. You move them both 3 feet back. You just have to figure out which one it is, and I'll show you how I can do that. If you
Okay.
go into your front view and pick that top piece, select it. I mean, yeah, the top blend, and I think if you just go back to reference level, it will still be picked. It'll be right there with all the others. It's right on top.
Oh, there it is. I see it.
Okay. So now you can just mirror that.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, those are the
Oh,
outside
yeah,
ones.
it took
Okay.
it. It took
Yeah.
it.
And then you can mirror those down.
There we go.
Okay. Let's take a look at that in 3D and make sure it's what you want.
1, 2.
Okay.
Yes.
So the question here, I think, will be, I mean, right now there's no clear relationship between where the rings are and where the shelves are.
Right.
It's not like they're supporting them or in the middle or halfway in between. Um, and I guess the question is, you ever want the rings to hit the shelves, or will they always be between them?
They'll be between them because these trays are removable. So if they're hitting the rings, they're not. They're gonna be hard to remove it. Remove it.
Okay, so let's go to a front view. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go to request remote control again. So how about if we say that, oh, I see, this is okay, it's an extrusion with a void, right? Okay,
Yes.
okay. How about if we say that this one is always between these two, this one is always halfway between these two, and this one is halfway between these two?
Okay.
Something like that? I mean,
Yep.
we need to decide some order so
They
when
move
they
together.
move, they don't hit each other.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that makes more sense. More sense. So can I do a reference plane?
Um, well, let's think. We would certainly like to be able to control the top of it,
Yeah.
move that up and down. Um, and these are blends. Okay, so they have a top and a bottom that we can move. These have blends, or top and bottom we can move.
It's tricky
So,
when they're multiple.
yeah, you have to think this through. So if we had a reference plane right across here, and then put a dimension from the top to the bottom of the blend, and then so we can just
And they move together.
we just say that's an inch and a half or something, just lock it in.
Okay.
Then we could have these come all the way up to the bottom of that. And then moving the reference plane would move the top piece would stretch these, so that'd be fine.
Okay.
um,
Can do it.
I'm just gonna move these down to make them a little easier to visualize.
Move it down.
Oh, you moving it?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Uh, well, actually, that's an interesting question.
And can we add one more plate here, maybe, to even it out?
One more shelf?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, why don't you
So
just copy some of those farther up?
yeah, can I make yeah
You'll need to copy the
that thing?
I would just window them both and then control drag. Okay, well that's easy. Now we have a little, yeah, that's actually a very good idea. It makes it at least normal. And I
Yeah.
think we probably want this distance to be less.
Okay. So I'll move it down.
Right now, these are four different pieces. These guys are all one piece. So we can move them with one arrow. These guys will each have their own arrow.
Yeah. Can I just arrow it down?
Yeah, actually, let's put the top reference plane across and lock all those guys to it. Reference plane all the way over. Yeah, planes, not lines.
I did planes, right? Yeah, I did
Yeah,
planes.
yeah. You haven't selected the plane yet. Its lines will.
Sorry. So hard to
Um,
figure. Unedited. Oh,
There
right
you
here.
go. There, you need that guy. Yeah. Okay, good. And now I would,
And then another one down here.
I don't think we'll need to. Oh, yeah, that's probably a good idea. That's probably a good idea. Uh, because otherwise we'd have to do 4 dimensions to move those 4
How
things
do I
up.
get out and then go back in? Can I
Uh,
just, oh,
go,
I can just do it.
go over to, you can, uh, if you go to create, you'll
Oh,
get back to the reference plane menu.
okay.
Okay. So right now, those don't yet control those pieces.
Right.
We'll need to drag each one down and then back up and then down to lock into those planes. So I would might as well do that now. We can do some from the front and then some from the back.
Okay.
I would lock the 2 top ones, the 2 top blends to the top plane. No, pick a blend. Pick one of those 2 blends. Drag its top down and then drag it back up and lock it to the plane. Oh, and then lock it. And do it again. It doesn't have to go far. Just and then drag it back up. Nope, 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 nope,
Oh,
nope.
sorry. I know. Okay.
You're turning it upside down.
Yeah.
That guy and then check the lock the lock button. Good, okay. And then do the same thing for the other one. And it just needs to come down a quarter of an inch. It's not a big deal. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. That guy. And lock it. And now I do the same thing with the bottoms of them to come down to the bottoms of those 2 top blends to
Oh, okay.
come down to the yeah. Nope. Just drag it down and drag it back up. It can just be one step to do that.
Oh, okay.
No, to the bottom. The bottom arrow goes down and comes back to the second um, uh,
Bottom goes down
and then back to where it started.
and
Right
then
back to where it started and then lock it. And I think you unlocked the top of that. So select that again. Yeah, good. Okay. And now to do the other 2, which are hidden behind these, let's just go to the back view and do
okay.
the same thing if we see it. Yeah, okay. Same deal exactly. Oops. No, no, no. I tell you, when you drag them down, just drag them a tiny bit. You don't have to come all the way down. Those seem to be
Locked.
locked. So let's cancel that. Uh,
They're locked. Yeah.
okay. Let's look at a 3D view as well. I'm going to shut down. Okay. Uh, I can control. Just want to see how this works with all these guys. Do all of these. None of them were actually locked to it for some reason.
Hmm.
I really thought they were.
I thought they were. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, drag that down and then lock.
Well, it's clearly a little, okay, looks like it's good. So if we move this up, not happening, is it? Which one is that? Okay, that's this guy right here. Let's just try to get it right. Actually, let me get rid of this one, just so when I see this, well, I was okay. So now when I'm in the front view here, front, I'm just seeing these two guys. Okay, got it. Save the
I
project.
saved it. I saved it. Yeah,
Okay.
I saved it.
Okay, those both. Okay, so then both of those getting to the floor plan level and mirroring them back. Okay, so let's see if they inherited the attachment. No, they have to, so they'll have to be attached on their own. So we'll get into a back view. That one, okay. This is
A funky one.
this is a little funky, yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Control S. Now will this work?
Mm.
Apparently not. So it looks like we need to go through the same
Okay.
basic process again. Um,
Oh, the reference plane.
yeah, and I'm going to move these down out of the way for right now, just so they don't confuse what we're locking to. So yeah, so there's that guy. Bring that. Oops. Okay, yeah, so you can do that
Yes.
at the for the two back ones and then for the two front ones as well. And you do that. I'll let go.
Oh,
Well, I would leave that there and go around to the front and fix and do the
okay.
two front ones.
I'm sorry.
No, 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 to the reference plane.
Okay.
Yeah, and then drag that down to see if all four of them go.
Yeah.
Okay, great, 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 great.
Yeah.
And now you can drag those legs up to that reference plane, and those should lock in the tops of the legs.
And then the back too.
And yeah, and you can see them right through there. It's a hidden line view.
There we go.
Okay, and now maybe just move both of those reference planes up and make sure that the legs come with them.
Now,
Okay. Uh, we dragged them up, but we didn't lock them.
yeah.
No, 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 no. Those are good. It's the legs that are the problem.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, that was the problem.
Sorry about that.
Nope, nope, nope,
That's
nope.
all. Yeah, I know.
It's a leg. Then go to the front view and do it. Nope.
And did I
Leg.
grab the wrong one?
Leg. Okay, that should do you. Okay,
Yeah.
excellent. Save the file.
Safe. And now, do I need to do a reference lines on the bottom?
I I I think you're good for now. The the interesting thing will be, I'm going to ask for control again, just to be able to.
Look at that.
I guess I'd like to see. Let's figure this out. Okay, are these distances the same?
Same. I mean, some, they don't look like it, so we have to measure
Do they
them.
get? Do we have the photograph? Do they get farther and farther apart? Do they get closer and closer together?
No, the same distance in between.
Same distance.
Yes.
Okay. Well, let's just look at something. Just
Yeah.
let me just see. Okay, so they're like 9 inches apart. Well, we can have these. Let's say we're going to fix this one uh, 2 inches down from that line, from
Okay.
there, and this one 4 inches up from there,
Right.
and the others will be equally spaced in between those.
Okay. I
Okay.
see. Then we equalize them.
So let me try something here. Remember, these four are all the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
So if we control where one of them is,
And then control the all of them.
we control where all of them are.
Okay.
Same way for this. So what I've done here is dimension to the top of each of those. Let's do this. Let's do
My niece is right there.
so if we now say from the top of this one to 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 the top of this one wants to be equal.
Equal, right?
Oh, you see, we need to set their widths before we do that. So I want you to how far is this?
Sorry.
Yeah, dimension from here to here and lock it, here to here, lock it, there to there, lock it.
I don't see your cursor.
Okay, let me let go because this is your turn.
So from here to here, here to here.
No, this
the
will
other
be to set the thickness of each ring. So top of ring to bottom of ring of the same ring.
Okay.
Top to bottom, no, to same ring, same ring, same ring, same ring, same ring. That same little ring, Somi. We're just going to make that 1/2 inch thick. Come down to the bottom of it.
Bottom of the first one or the last one?
Bottom of the top one.
Oh, okay.
To there, click. Drag it off. Okay, and then you can set the dimension to what you want. You can pick the dimension. Actually, pick the object, and then you can change that dimension. So let go. Escape. Escape again. Select the object, and then change that dimension to 1/2 inch, and lock it. I think if you pick that dimension, it'll show up with the lock button. Yeah, escape, let go of everything. Pick that 1/2 inch dimension. Pick that dimension. Off to the left, can you lock it?
I don't see a lock button.
I don't either.
So
Okay, let's just do that for all 4 of them.
Or DI.
Top to bottom. Yeah, somebody's going to make this a lot easier. Is go over, pick one of those dimensions. Well, let go for a second. I just want to. I don't want to edit it. I just want to. I hit escape, and then just select that black dimension. Okay, and then here, no, I'll back up. Select the dimension, and over in Edit Type, I want to mess with that dimension a little bit. Scroll down to it where it says, keep going. Yeah, units format right there, the 1, 5, and 11, 30 seconds or something. Okay, but select that. Uncheck Use Project Settings, and then click on Suppress 0 feet. See, right now we're seeing 0 feet, 0, 1/2 inches.
Yes.
I just want to see 1/2 inch.
Clean, okay.
Yeah, much cleaner. Okay. Or apply or whatever it is. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Much better.
And there's the lock symbol right there.
Say it again?
There's a lock symbol. I see.
Oh, it was just hiding it. Okay, that's what we want to do. Perfect. Don't see it there.
I'm continue on the next one. Maybe I'll show me on the next one. D, D, I.
Oh, I did see it there. Yeah.
Maybe if I click on it, then it shows what it is.
Hit escape a couple times. Yeah, just yeah. Don't pick the object. Pick the dimension. Pick the dimension,
Ah,
and that's when you
oh,
get the.
okay.
Try that up top as
Yeah,
well.
I'm trying. There we
There
go.
we go. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Okay. Same deal. We're going to get this. We're going to be great at it by the time we're 70 years old. Wait, I'm already 70 years old. Okay,
I'm not too far.
and then yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay, you got this. Yeah, change it first, right? And then lock it. Okay, and now you can pick that big long string and hit equal, equal, equal. Well, the one off to the right, the one with the 4 dimensions on it. Yeah, click that and then hit equal. Bink.
Yay.
That's pretty nice.
It looks really good now.
Yeah. So wherever you move the top and bottom ones to, however you decide to do that. I mean, if that 2 and 3/32 becomes 2 inches. Oh, no, 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 don't do that. Um,
Maybe that's
for instance, pick that 2 and 3/32 dimension and change that to like 1.5. Oh, actually, you'll have to pick the object itself. Sorry.
that's great.
Yeah, I mean, what we're doing is moving the object. So yeah, do that and then make that be 1.5 or something. Can't change my, oh, stop it, stop it, stop. What's going on here? What did it say? Can't change dimension to that value?
Yeah, maybe I hit it right after. I'll redo again. 1.5 inches. Can change dimension segment to this value.
Cancel that. Erase that 2 and 3/32 and just pick that upper ring and just use the arrow keys to move it up.
Oh, because it's locked. Right,
No, but
no.
we didn't lock, no, it should just be able to go because we didn't move,
Hmm.
there shouldn't be anything tying that down. We have the 4 and 7/8 setting where they all start. We have some equality ones that should adjust. Let me try something here. You can see the numbers over there in properties. They are
Yeah.
changing. It is moving slowly up,
Mm.
but the numbers are getting smaller. That's very peculiar. Um, Oh, but it lost that. It lost that.
Probably trying to undo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Uh, okay, it's got. Let me change these to be. Oh, they're sort of upside down, Somi. Can you see that
Now
there's
what?
if you look over here, it said that this one is starting at 2'4" off the ground and ending at 2'3" off the ground. Um,
It's an awkward piece.
well, look at that. I
Oh,
can
we
move,
moved
I
it
can move it with this. I can move it with. Oh, right. Um,
because of the reference lines.
it, this guy collectively has its arrows right in the middle of them. I mean, there are four of them, but the arrow comes up in the middle where it doesn't. I wasn't even expecting to see it there. Um, but I think that will stay put, and these will adjust, and those are equal, equal, equal. So if I want to set this distance, just drag this down to, let's say there. And then I'll drag these guys up to that. Okay, so that's a distance we can call top gap or something or other.
Okay. Should I?
Oops.
At least they move together.
Yeah, something like that.
Can I set my parameters now?
Yes. The one thing I want to do is say something like from, I want to decide to figure out how to actually place this halfway between these two guys. And let me just get it close so we can see what that looks like. Oops. I really want to say from here to here is the same as from here to here.
Okay. So should I do my DI tool?
Well, hang on. Let me just think about this. Or, here's something. If these two are this distance apart, then these two should be this distance apart.
Mm-hmm.
So how about if we do this? I'm really,
And then the other. Okay.
uh, and these are separate dimensions.
And then we just do equal.
Well, hear me out for a minute. Get rid of that. So we're going to call this dimension like bottom
Bottom.
gap.
Bottom. In the first level.
But here's the thing. Okay, I I realize I'm doing your homework for you, and I don't care. Um, between rings, instance. So it's between rings. Oh, well, we can't. Oops, don't know where that went. Oh, there it is. If we make all of these
Between rings.
that distance, so whatever we put in there will be the same, but the difference is we get to choose what that is. Then that's also this same distance. Is there an easy way to do this? I have no idea.
Hmm. Fly. Oh, look at that.
Okay, so we really just need to move this up a little bit and should all go up a little bit. Well, I see we sort of have a problem with it turned upside down.
Yeah,
Oh, I see uh,
it's fine now.
well,
Well,
the
this
void, um,
car got displaced.
the voids stayed in the same place when the solid moved. Uh, I'm sure they can get locked together somehow. Should lock the void to the top of the shelf. Oh, so a couple things need to happen in here. With all this going on, I think this height from here to here
Uh-huh.
needs to be defined as where you just decide like that's 1 inch and then lock it.
Okay.
And like the depth of the
Boy.
extrusion becomes like 3/4 of an inch down from there. But I think that's will give you the, but this isn't working. Well, you know what, maybe I'm gonna backtrack and get rid of those dimensions. Um, because I think that's getting like unnecessarily complicated.
Yeah, now they're even.
Um, um,
I can play with it. Let me.
this is a very complicated one.
Yeah.
Because with the others, we just had like a shelf going between two other shelves.
Yeah.
Here we have the rings and these guys doing something really quite different from each other.
Right.
So and moving the oh, you know what? You know how to make this easier? These are circular, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It would be easier if each of these um uh let me just do this. Okay, six, some funny size. Uh it'd be easier if your shelves were a revolve where have one object where your line goes, your axis line goes down the middle, and then it would go out there, with the far side across there, and just be one object instead of a solid object with um, a void inside it. Show you what I mean?
Mhm.
Escape. Let me get into a front view. Create, revolve lines. And you're going to have to, remake this to be the right size. There's the half of it. Here's the axis line. And there's the object.
Hmm.
One object with a bottom,
Right.
instead of two that we have to move together.
Okay.
I think that would be
That's right.
I think that would be a better way to do it.
Okay. Okay.
Have a good time.
All right. Thanks so much. Get some rest.
And I now have a 4-hour recording here that we'll see what happens. But
All right. Thanks.
you're at the end, so that's fine.
All right. Thanks so
My
much.
pleasure. It's a pleasure.